The Gaiam 15-inch Pilates ring is a versatile and lightweight fitness tool designed for toning and strengthening your arms, thighs, legs, and core. Featuring durable foam-padded handles for comfort, this ring offers flexible resistance, making it ideal for Pilates exercises and overall body conditioning. Its compact design allows for easy use at home, the gym, or on the go. Perfect for adding variety to your workouts, it helps enhance muscle engagement and improve balance and posture during your fitness routine. The Ally Peaks pull-up bar for doorway is a durable and versatile fitness tool designed with thickened steel to support up to 440 pounds. Ideal for upper body workouts, this multi-grip bar allows you to target different muscles with various pull-up and chin-up grips. It's easy to install and remove, making it perfect for at-home use or portable workouts. With its strong, stable design, this bar helps enhance your strength training routine and is an essential addition to any home gym setup. The ProsourceFit Puzzle Exercise Mat offers durable EVA foam interlocking floor tiles, providing half-inch thick cushioning for your home gym or workout area. These 24-inch by 24-inch tiles create a soft, protective surface ideal for exercise equipment, floor exercises, and even play areas for kids. With 36 tiles covering up to 144 square feet, the mat is easy to assemble, versatile, and provides excellent shock absorption. Perfect for creating a comfortable workout space while protecting your floors from damage. Available in gray for a sleek, modern look. The FLYBIRD Adjustable Weight Bench is a versatile and durable solution for full-body workouts. Designed for strength training, this bench offers multiple adjustable positions, allowing you to target various muscle groups. Its fast folding feature makes it easy to store and perfect for home gyms with limited space. Built with a sturdy steel frame and high-density foam padding, it provides comfort and support during your workouts. Ideal for both beginners and advanced fitness enthusiasts, this new version ensures efficiency and convenience in your fitness routine. This push-up board set is a complete portable home gym solution. It includes a multifunctional board, a Pilates bar, resistance bands, an ab roller wheel, and 20 fitness accessories. The color-coded board targets specific muscles, helping you focus on chest, back, shoulders, and arms. With this versatile equipment, you can perform a full-body workout from the comfort of your home. Compact and easy to store, it's perfect for anyone looking to maintain or improve their fitness level without a gym membership. Ideal for strength training, toning, and overall body conditioning.